First of all, go to the taskbar, then go to the Bluetooth, go to the settings. In setting, turn on the Bluetooth and then go to add device. Now make sure that your mobile's Bluetooth is on. So then after some time it will just start connecting with your phone. When you're done with that, you just minimize this tab, then go to the hidden icons. You see the Bluetooth option there. You click send a file, then select the phone you have connected recently. Now go to the browse option and select the picture or the document you want to send, then click on next. Then it will process, and after a while you'll get an option on your phone like this. Click on accept and then it will start transferring the file to your phone. After a while it will be done. That's it. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe for more short videos like this.